Unveiling the Art of Photo Retouching, a guide to understanding and mastering. Hello, and welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're diving into an exciting and increasingly popular topic in the digital world: photo retouching. Whether you're a budding photographer, a graphic designer, or simply curious about how images are transformed into pieces of art, this video is for you. We'll explore what photo retouching means, how it's done, and why it's important. So, let's get started on this fascinating exploration. Photo retouching refers to the process of altering and enhancing photographs to improve their appearance. This can involve a wide range of techniques, from simple adjustments like brightness and contrast, to more complex changes like removing blemishes, altering backgrounds, or even adding elements that weren't in the original photo. It's a blend of art and technology, where creativity meets the digital world. In this section, we'll talk about the software and tools commonly used for photo retouching. Programs like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom are the industry standards, offering a vast array of features for every kind of retouching task. We'll discuss the key features of these programs, like layers, brushes, and filters, which help in precisely editing images. Photo retouching has a broad spectrum of applications. In professional photography, it's used to enhance the quality of pictures, making them more appealing for magazines, advertisements, and online content. In personal use, it helps in improving the aesthetics of personal photos for social media or family albums. We'll explore how retouching can transform ordinary images into visually striking ones. While photo retouching can be incredibly powerful, it's important to discuss the ethical aspects. Over-editing can lead to unrealistic expectations and standards, particularly in fashion and beauty industries. We'll delve into the responsibility of retouchers and the importance of maintaining a balance between enhancement and reality. Here, we'll share some practical tips and tricks to get the best out of your photo retouching efforts. We'll cover aspects like the importance of maintaining natural skin textures, the art of subtle changes, and how to use lighting and shadows effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of photo retouching. Remember, while technology offers us the tools to create stunning images, it's the creativity and ethical judgment of the person behind the screen that truly makes a difference. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beautiful world of digital imagery.